Howdy y'all. Today we're doing some bush hog work, so I want to do the actual stuff to the bush hog to make it a little bit more safe. So I'll swap out this little junky pin that's not the right one to use. This for like a lawnmower or something. Not the right pin. Get my TCS pin right here out of this bag of goodies from Santa Claus right here. You know, it's not even Christmas time. That's the right size pin for sure. Oh yes. I have to pause video to get this pin loose so I can get it in there properly. So right back with the pin in there. Alright, let's get this pin on there now. Oh yeah. Like was meant to be in that hole. Get our snap ring right here. Heavy duty, gonna play around here. Boom. That's that. Now we gotta put on our slip bolts. That's got a standard grade 2 for now. It's cheaper. So I'm gonna see you guys when it's on there. Alright, now we got our pin in there to hold her together. Now I gotta shorten this chain up, make sure it's not super long, because it's not dangling all the way out across the field here. So I'll see y'all when it's shortened up. There we go, now we're all shortened up. Next you guys will see this thing start running. Alright. Let's fire up danger. Fuel on. Power on. Here's the choke. She likes that. There we go. We up in the air. Y'all when we're out there in the field working. Alright, we're set on the setting. Let's give her a try. Cutting something up. That's good to see. Oh yeah. Swishing it up. Filled up now. It's good old danger right there. Good job. It's mowing along. Making that hay for a little pay. Good girl, Danger. Keep it up. Making that paper look good. Oh yeah. Making that hay. That's what you like to see out there. Going back, making the hay. Oh yeah. She's working out here. this shit down. Yes. Making a trench with that damn drag wheel, but hey, she is trying. Alright. That's it for this week, y'all. I'm gonna do some adjustments on the bush hog and get her going. Finish the job I'm doing. See y'all next week. Keep throwing knuckles, keep throwing fists, keep throwing wrenches. See y'all next time.